Good morning, my name is Ben. We're going to unbox the Fieldpiece Compact Clamp Meter SC260, which is a true RMS electrical meter. So we will go ahead and do that now. Just a simple small box. Top opens like that. Open this, and out slides our carrying case along with stuff inside of it, I'm assuming. And inside of here, I think we've got some literature. And this is the certificate of conformity, I guess. So this is the manual. Registration card looks like. But for now, let's go ahead and open this up. We can read the literature later. When we first open it here, we've got this sticking out. Looks like it's a temperature probe. It's in kind of the front pocket here. And then there's a little cable management tie there, which is kind of nice. Here is the meter itself. We'll set that there for just a minute. And then we've got 9-volt battery and your test leads. And other than that, that's everything that is in this case here. So looks like you need a couple Phillips screws to be able to put your battery in there. But that's it. That's what comes with the SC260. So that I will try to see if I can put together a video of some of its functionality once I get more familiarized with it. It should do pretty much everything an HVAC technician needs to accomplish. For the most part, it's a pretty robust unit for that reason. We've got a temperature probe, we've got our test leads, we've got the ability to test capacitors, continuity. Most everything is here. It even advertises that on the box as being an HVACR feature-rich unit. So it does a lot of stuff. The display also is lighted, which is really nice. As you can see on this picture here, it's kind of illuminated blue, which is nice in when you are in spaces that are not quite so brightly lit. And then the one other feature that is a must-have, in my opinion, is the ability to walk up to something that you need to test and stick it. It has got a magnetic mount on the back. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Good morning, my name is Ben. We're going to unbox the Fieldpiece Compact Clamp Meter SC260, which is a true RMS electrical meter. So we will go ahead and do that now. Just a simple small box.